by inviting an actual witch to cast magic spells on the panelists. Elon Musk referred to this person in the headdress with the face paint and everything as Elizabeth Warren, but she looks a little different. This is obviously some sort of prayer. It's obviously not a Christian prayer, so one can only imagine which supposed deities she's invoking. Okay, now she's breathing on her hands. That doesn't seem very cautious with COVID. And oh, there we go. She coughed on one of the panelists' faces. Okay, another one. She's just... They're obviously just messing with us because WEF led the charge of saying, wear face masks, you can't ever cough, you can't breathe. Now she's just coughing a mixture of her presumably bacteria-ridden breath, but also at the spiritual level, who knows what kind of spirits. It's weird. The lady in question